Hi guys, and you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your love and your consistency. And please, I want you to follow me step by step as I solve this question. Here is a basic mathematical question in agricultural economics, and this particular question is coming from sequence and series. Show that the sum of arithmetic sequence is Sn equals to n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 close bracket d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. They ask us to show that an arithmetic sequence having the first term as a and the common difference as d is n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 closing bracket d. Now they want us to show it. Don't forget, an arithmetic sequence is a sequence that has a constant common difference. That is, an arithmetic, let me give an example. An arithmetic sequence, don't forget, an arithmetic sequence can be like this: 2, maybe 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on, 20, so and so on like that. So, if you want to find the common difference of an arithmetic sequence, it will be the term after the term. If you want to find the common difference of an arithmetic progression, let's assume that let me take this. This is the first term. Our first term is t1, which is 2. The second term is 4, which is t2. So if I want to find the common difference, it will be the difference between two terms that occurs simultaneously. So I will have tn minus 1. That is, my t1 is 2, t2 is 2. T2 is 4. If I want to find the common difference, it will be 4 minus 2, which is 2. Then if I want to find the common difference of this particular arithmetic, I can take any of the two terms. I can take 8 and 10, 4 and 6, 4 and 2, and so on like that. So, and don't forget, the formula for nth term of an arithmetic sequence is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 closing bracket b. Tn, where our Tn is the numbers of term. That is, maybe if we want to find the, for example, if I want to find this first, second, third, fourth, fifth, if I want to find the sixth term of this particular arithmetic sequence, I can easily say that T6, I can call it T6 is equals to a. What is my a? My a is 2. I can put a 2 plus 6 minus 1 closing bracket. What is the common difference? The common difference is 2 closing bracket 2. My t6 will be 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. That's 12. My t6 is, my sixth term is 12. So I can put 12 like this. Now, if you want to cross check if what you got is right, you can actually say that 12 minus 10, it will give us 2. So that's the sixth term of this arithmetic sequence. Now let's proceed to our question. And they gave us our T1. Our first term is A. Our first term is A. Since we know that our first term is A and we know the common difference, we can easily get our second term using our arithmetic formula. Please, I don't want to confuse this. I just use this as an example so as to bring us back, as to remind us of, maybe we have forgotten how the most of the things. This is just to bring us back, so don't let us. So my T1 is A. My T2 can easily be T2 equals to A plus 2 minus 1 closing bracket D, which will be A plus 2D. That's my T2. My T2 is A plus 2D. Now I can easily get my T3. My T3 is A plus 3 minus 1 D, which is A plus 3D. A plus, no, this one is A plus D rather, sorry. A plus D. 3 minus 1 is 2. So A plus 2D. A plus 2D. Now, I can easily, and also you can, our fourth my T4 will be A plus 4 minus 1 into bracket D, which will be A plus 3D. So my Tn equals to A plus, I'll just substitute n minus 1, which is that's the formula for Tn. Also, if I want to sum the sum of my first term, if I let's assume that I'm told to find the sum of the first term of this arithmetic sequence, it will be S1. My S1 is the sum of my first term, so it's also a. My S2 my S2 equals to the sum of my first term and the sum of my second term. S2 equals to sum of the first term and the sum of the second term. S2 is the A plus D. Please follow me. S3 will also be sum of the first term plus that sum of second term from sum of the third term. S3 will be A plus D plus A plus 2D. That's S3. So, I will do a simple logic here. Remember, Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 D. If I want to get the term before this nth term, it will be Tn minus 1. That is, if I want to get the term before this term, it will be Tn minus 1. I can easily put like this: A plus n minus 1 minus 1 into bracket D, which will give me A plus n minus 2 D. If I want to get the term before this term also, I can easily write Tn minus 2, which will be A plus n minus 2 minus 1, A plus n minus 2 minus 1 D, which will be A plus n minus 3 D. Now, that's the term. If I also want to get the term before, so that's how it goes. If I want to get the term before this term also, I will actually write Tn minus 3. It will now be this minus 1D. So now I've gotten the 3 term because I have 3 term 1, 2, 3. I have the 3 term from the first and I have the 3 term from the back. I have the 3 term from the in an ascending order. This is it. 1, 2, 3. And I have another 3 term in a descending order. This 1, 2, 3. So let me put all these dot and put. So my Sn also, my Sn will be this Sn will now be this A plus this plus this plus this. Sn will be, I use this as an example. So if I want to have Sn, sum of the nth term, it will be A plus D plus A plus 2D plus A plus n minus 3D plus A plus into bracket n minus 2D plus A plus into bracket n minus 1D. So let us add up. We have A plus D A plus D, A plus D, then n minus 3D plus A plus n minus 2D plus then I will add this also, as A plus n minus 1D. So I've written my sum of the nth term. Don't forget that we have to prove this. I can also write this also in a descending order. I will bring this one to the first, then it will be like A plus n minus 1D plus A plus n minus 2D. Then after this. Oh, I forgot to put that dot dot dot. Don't forget. A plus then I have dot dot dot. A plus D. So I've written it in descending order. I forgot to put dot 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 here. I mean line of infinity that I have here. Line of infinity that I have here. So I'm going to be summing this and this. That's the next step. I'm going to be summing this and this. Don't forget that all these things that we wrote here, all these things that we have here, we have already added them here. So I'm going to be summing the first and the second. If I had this Sn plus Sn, I'm going to be having 2Sn, like x plus y, like the x plus x equals to 2x, y plus y equals to 2y, z plus z equals to 2z. Now I've already added this 2 sum equals to, I'm going to, if I want to add this one, I will add this plus this. I'm going to add this one plus this one. I'm going to add this one plus this one, then the line of infinity, which is this. Then I'm going to add this one plus this one. I'm going to add this one plus this one. Then I'm going to be adding my this one plus a. Now let's proceed. Let me try solving it in another sheet of paper. Okay, let's begin. A plus A plus n minus 1D. How do we go about that? A plus n minus 1D. A plus n minus 1D. A plus A will be 2A. So I'm going to have 2A plus n minus 1D. That's the first one. So I'm going to write it 2A plus n minus 1D. Plus also, I'm going to be adding A plus D plus A plus n minus 2D. A plus D plus A plus n minus 2 in the bracket D. How I'm going to solve this one? a plus a will be 2a. Then I'm going to be adding d plus n minus 2d. Collect the like term. That's what I'm doing. N minus 2d plus d. I can factorize 2a. It will be 2a plus n minus 2 plus 1d. If I multiply this particular d, I bring that one here. So if I open the bracket, I will got the same answer. That's what I did. So I can easily have 2a plus n minus 1d. So that is also the second addition that I did. 2a. I also got 2a plus n minus 1d. I want to add the third one. A plus 2d plus a plus n minus 3d. A plus 2d plus a plus 2d plus a plus n minus 1d. I will also be having 2a plus a. I'm going to be having 2a. Then I'm going to be having n minus 1 in the bracket d plus 2d. But I'm collecting like terms. 2a plus, I can also factorize n minus 1 I can also factorize 2a into bracket n minus 1. Oh, it should be this and this. Don't forget, I had this plus this, I had this. Then this one should go for this one. So it should be n minus 3, not n minus 1. So I'm going to be factorizing n minus 3 plus 2 into bracket d. I'm going to be having 2a plus n minus 1d. That's what I'm going to be having. Have you seen that I still have the same answer? I have the same answer for both of them. I still have my 2a plus n minus 1d. If I had everything like that, if I have everything, I'll be having 2a plus n minus 1d. I'll be having that particular answer. If I had this and this, if I had this one and this one, I will have 2a plus n minus 1d. If I had this one and this one also, if I also have this one and this one, which is this, I will have 2a plus n minus 1. So since there are repetitive elements, I can easily suggest that, since, for example, like this. For example, if you have something like this, x plus x plus x to xn, I can easily have nx. Or if I have something like a plus a plus a to a, I can easily have na, which will be, I will take one element that I multiply by the number at which it repeats itself. So that is it. That is what I'm going to be doing here. I'm going to be having 2sn equals to, because we don't know how many times it is going to repeat itself because of this particular dot dot dot. So I'm going to be putting n in place of this element in the front of this element. So if this element 2a plus n minus d repeats itself several times, maybe 20 times, I can easily multiply by 20. So I can have n into brackets 2a plus n minus 1 into bracket d. Since I'm only looking for Sn, I can easily write Sn is equals to n in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 closing bracket d all over 2, because I divide 2 by 2. So my sum of the n term equals to n over 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 closing bracket d. we have successfully proved that we have successfully proved that the sum of the arithmetic sequence Sn with the sum of the arithmetic sequence with a first term a and common difference d is given by Sn equals to n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 close bracket d. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends of which you need that they might really be in need of help too. Thank you very much. Bye.